Wow, this is incredible. I must say this is the most beautiful port I've arrived at. How to get from Makassar city to beautiful Selayar island for snorkeling, on island hopping, or whatever your reason is. There are actually three options and all of them are quite good and some are like surprisingly comfortable. So let me get into it. So let's start for the passenger only options. The first one is to take a direct bus from Makassar city all the way to Benteng. It goes every day. It's a night sleeper bus. It takes about 12 hours. It departs at 11 p.m. from Makassar city and it arrives in the morning or before lunch to Benteng, I think, something like that. Also depends on the ferry. And the bus will take the short ferry from Bira to Selayar Island, and the price is around like 200 or 300,000 rupiah, so it's pretty good. But some of the buses are really good, like you can get proper sleep, and this might be a very good option. Like even I had to drive all the way and then I was super tired after, so the company is called Aneka, and for the reservation you can contact them online. Just search, because the WhatsApp numbers change all the time, and yeah, just search Aneka on Google or Instagram and then you will find some of the updated numbers for the actual reservation. Okay, the second option I didn't know about until I arrived to Selayar Island, but it's actually pretty good, and that's actually a direct ferry from Makassar city all the way to Benteng, and this can take both passengers and cars and other transport as well, which is very good, and I didn't know about that, and I'm considering taking it back because it takes about 12 hours, which means it's a little bit longer than the last option as I'm gonna explain. So it goes twice a week on Tuesday and Friday. It leaves from Makassar at Friday night, but it returns during the day. So yeah, it also goes on Tuesday and Friday during the day to Makassar and during the night back. The price is around like 300,000 for passenger and about 900,000 for car, which is pretty good. And the last option, that's like kind of the most obvious, and that's the one I took because I didn't know about these other options. And that is just if you have a motorbike or a car or you want to drive it yourself. So you just go from Makassar to Bira. It's like 5-6 hours of drive, and then you take the ferry. The company is ASDP and they go multiple times a day, usually just in the morning. You can buy the ticket online on trip.ferries.com. It costs 600 for a car, for a passenger I don't know, something like 150, I'm not sure about that. So you might consider if you want to drive it or you want to take the ferry all the way, which if you count in the gas for the driving, then the price is about the same. So but there is actually one bonus tip. If you actually want to drive it, then you might want to go through the highlands to the Malino region and stop there for the night, like to camp and maybe watch some waterfalls. It's really beautiful. It's a bit longer, maybe like 2 or 3 hours more, but if you just want to make it like an adventure, you can just stop there and maybe the other way take the ferry, so it's direct. Yeah, it's up to you. I'm surprised that there is so many options that are actually pretty good. So yeah, I hope this guide was helpful. Let me know what you want me to make a video about next, and I will continue driving back to the other side of the island because here the waves are quite big and I want to do some more snorkeling. Yeah, anyway, thank you for watching and see you on the road. Not sure. Do I need to do anything here or just go away? I think just go. If nobody stops me, I'm just gonna go. Wow, this is incredible. I must say this is the most beautiful port I've arrived at ever. Look at that.